Hey folks, this is Redbeard, also known as Alex Buker at Tomwood Toyota here in Whitestown, Indiana. And today I'm going to show you how to quickly set the memory seats in a 2020 Toyota Highlander Limited. If you like what you see in this video, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so you know when the newest content is coming out, and please help support us by giving this video a thumbs up. And now, let's begin. First thing you're going to want to do is get your seat nice and comfy. Get the lumbar, the height, and the angle right where you want it, so you're going to be comfy on your new ride. Let's do that. Oh, this is great. Perfect. Now let's move on to the mirrors. On this door panel, you're going to find this little toggle here. I'm going to move over to my left mirror, and I'm going to adjust that just to my liking. Man, that guy's ugly. That's okay though. I'll go to the right mirror. All you have to do is hit the set button and push that number 1 button till you hear that beep, and you're ready to go.